Number 1.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,400, well-preserved classic pickup that offers a blend of durability, functionality, and timeless American truck styling. It shows 98,000 miles on the odometer and is powered by a dependable 4.3-liter V6 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission, delivering a responsive and engaging driving experience. Finished in onyx black, the exterior presents a bold and clean appearance, further enhanced by 15-inch chrome wheels and a suspension system that remains in good condition. Inside, the truck features a comfortable gray cloth interior designed for everyday usability. It comes equipped with practical and convenient features such as air conditioning for added comfort, cruise control for relaxed highway driving, a classic cassette stereo system, and a sliding rear window that adds both ventilation and versatility.
Number 2.
1996 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,900, well-maintained full-size pickup truck with 194,000 miles on the odometer, reflecting its years of dependable use. It is powered by a strong 350 engine paired with an automatic transmission and a capable 4x4 drivetrain, making it a versatile choice for both everyday driving and more demanding tasks. The truck features a sleek black exterior complemented by a clean gray cloth interior, giving it a timeless and practical appearance. In terms of features, this vehicle comes equipped with power windows and power locks for added comfort and convenience. It has also been recently updated with new tires, spark plugs, and wires, helping ensure reliable performance on the road. The body is notably free of rust, which is a significant advantage for a truck of this age, and it comes with a clean title.
Number 3.
1992 Ford F150, price $8,250, powered by a reliable 4.9L inline 6-cylinder engine paired with an automatic transmission. It has covered approximately 147,000 miles and remains in good running and driving condition. The truck features a clean white exterior complemented by a tan interior, and it runs on gasoline. Over time, the vehicle has received a number of recent upgrades and maintenance improvements, including newer tires, a new exhaust system, upgraded headlights with LED bulbs for better visibility, and newly redone seat upholstery that enhances interior comfort. While the truck performs well overall, there are a couple of known issues to note. The air conditioning system is currently not functioning, and the check engine light is on. Despite this, it continues to operate reliably. The vehicle also comes with a plastic bed liner for added protection and utility, and it includes a clean title in hand.
Number 4.
1996 Chevrolet 3500, price $7,000, featuring 153,000 miles on the odometer, an automatic transmission, and a bold red exterior paired with a matching red interior. This gasoline-powered truck is equipped with the powerful 7.4L Vortec 454 engine, making it a strong and capable heavy-duty vehicle. The truck is reported to run well, having been inspected by a professional mechanic. It does have a crack in the windshield and a few minor leaks, though nothing considered major. Most of the tires have been recently replaced, with the exception of the front passenger tire. The exterior has just undergone clay bar treatment and polishing, helping maintain its overall appearance. While there are some cosmetic imperfections consistent with its age, the truck remains in great condition for a 1996 model.
Number 5.
1999 Dodge Ram 1500, price $5,995, showing just 93,000 miles on the odometer and backed by a clean title. It is equipped with a 3.9L V6 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering smooth, consistent performance suitable for everyday use. Finished in a classic white exterior with a clean gray interior, the truck offers a simple yet timeless appearance. Its regular cab 2-door configuration, combined with rear-wheel drive and a 135-inch wheelbase, provides a practical balance between maneuverability and functionality, making it easy to handle in various driving conditions. Overall, this truck runs strong and has been maintained to remain reliable, making it a solid option for anyone seeking a durable and straightforward pickup for daily driving or light-duty work.
Number 6.
1998 Chevrolet S10, price $5,900, well-maintained compact pickup with 167,000 miles on the odometer. It features an automatic transmission, a 4.3L V6 engine, and a 2WD drivetrain, running on gasoline. The truck comes in a red exterior with a gray interior and is configured as an extended cab, making it both practical and comfortable for everyday use. Known for its durability, the 4.3L V6 engine in this model has a strong reputation for longevity when properly cared for. While the truck is not completely rust-free, it remains impressively clean for a late 90s vehicle from Ohio and still presents well on the road. It is equipped with brand new tires and continues to run and drive well, making it a solid and reliable small pickup overall.
Number 7.
1995 GMC 1500, price $5,500. The truck has accumulated 398,000 miles and comes with a manual transmission. It features a black exterior paired with a gray interior and runs on gasoline. The current owner has had the truck for approximately 2 years, during which it was mostly kept in a storage unit, protected from weather exposure. It is equipped with a relatively new battery, and the tires have only about 150 miles of use. The vehicle is able to start, run, and drive in its current condition. However, it would require additional work to be suitable for daily use. Overall, the truck has a solid foundation and is considered a good candidate for a project, especially for someone with the time and resources to restore or improve it.
Number 8.
1988 Chevrolet S10, price $4,500. It has traveled 166,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Finished in a clean white exterior with a brown interior, this truck features a straightforward, old-school setup with manual windows, manual locks, and manual steering. Along with its original bench seat, it has been tastefully lowered, offering a smooth and comfortable ride, and sits on staggered rally rims wrapped in great condition tires. Additional upgrades include a Pioneer radio/CD player, tinted windows, a durable bedliner, and a steel roll pan, giving it a clean, custom look. The heating system works well, adding to its everyday usability. Overall, the truck has solid fundamentals and good bones, making it an ideal candidate for someone looking for a project with strong potential.
Number 9.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,800, presented as a reliable daily driver with 196,000 miles on the odometer. It comes equipped with an automatic transmission and is powered by a 4.3L V6 Vortec engine running on gasoline. The truck features a red exterior paired with a brown interior, offering a classic and practical appearance. Overall, the vehicle runs and drives well, with both the air conditioning and heater functioning properly.
The engine performs smoothly with no unusual noises or leaks, and the transmission is in good condition.
The body remains in solid shape, while the interior requires some minor attention, including a cracked dashboard in the absence of a radio. With a clean Texas title, the Chevrolet 1500 stands as a good option for a project truck or simply a dependable cruiser for everyday use.
Number 10.
1991 Ford F150, price $3,950, well-maintained classic pickup with 170,000 miles on the odometer. Finished in a burgundy exterior with a gray interior, this truck is equipped with a 5.8L V8 engine paired to an automatic transmission and a 2WD drivetrain. This vehicle runs and drives well, supported by several recent updates including new front brakes, a new distributor, and a new front fuel pump along with a new fuel tank. The rear tank has been removed. It also comes with good tires and features a custom sunroof, adding a unique touch to its overall appearance. While the air conditioning system is currently not functioning, the heating system works properly, making it still comfortable for regular use. Overall, this F-150 offers a dependable driving experience with classic styling and useful mechanical improvements.